I was very worried about my typing speed. I started searching through various ways to know how to improve my typing speed. After a long time of searching, it occurred to me that I could create a program using my coding skill which would help me to enhance my typing speed. Yeah, in today's video, we are going to build this fun and useful project. This simple project will help you practice typing and measure your typing speed in word per minute. Okay, let's jump right into it. Let's see an overview of the program. At first, we have to discuss about what this program will do. It will show a random sentence. Then you will measure the time you take to type the sentence. Lastly, it will calculate your typing speed in word per minute and tell you if there were any mistake in your typing. That's it. For new programmers, it's gonna be a great beginner project for practicing Java concepts like arrays, randomization, and user input handling. Okay, let's open our code editor and start coding. That's all we know. We have to create a file at first. Normally, create a class, then public static void main. At first, we have to set up an array of sentence. The program will choose one of those randomly for the user to type. We will definitely write comments. Here, sentences is an array storing several sentences that the program will select from. This gives variety, so every typing test is a little different. We inputted 3 sentences into our array. If you want, you can take more. Now we pick a sentence randomly using a class. The name of class is random. I think most of the programmers knows about the syntax I am using in this program. We have to create a random object and use it to pick a random sentence. I will simply explain the syntax. Here random.nextInt will pick a number between 0 and the last index of the array, and it will ensure we get one sentence each time. Now we have to display the sentence and start the timer. Give a message for user so that they can follow the sentence. After showing that message, we have to print a sentence. We just call the sentence array in here and it will show a sentence randomly. So it will print the sentence for the user to type. Now we have to start the timer. We have to use an object in here. To start the timer, we will use system.currentTime to capture the exact time when the user begins typing. In the next step, our program will capture the user input. Print start typing, and then we use scanner.nextLine to capture what the user types and store it in user input. Now stop the timer as like start the timer. Take a variable end time. End time records the time when they finish typing, allowing us to calculate the total time taken. Now we will calculate the time taken and the typing speed in word per minute. Now time to use some mathematical logics in here. Simply we will minus start time from end time and we will get time taken. We calculated time taken in milliseconds, so we have to convert it in seconds. We know if we divide time taken by 1000, it will convert into seconds. Now we have to count the words of sentence. So word count will count the words in the sentence by splitting it at spaces. So we take sentence dot split dot length. Finally, we calculate WPM by dividing the word count by the number of seconds, then multiplying by 60. Yeah, we are almost done. Lastly, we have to check if the user typed correctly. and we have to display their speed. Here we check if user input match the sentence. If it does, we can congratulate the user. If not, we let them know there were mistake. Make a condition. If user input equal to sentence, then print well done. Else print there were mistakes in you typing. Now we have to just print. We have to print the time taken and the calculated WPM. Closing the scanner at the end is a good practice. If you don't want to do this, no problem, but I do it usually. Okay, it's time to run the program and we got a error. Error ছাড়া program লেখা কি আমার পক্ষে সম্ভব? Yeah, it's difficult to me to write code without error. Okay, I got a bug in here. I mistaked the semicolon. I did another mistake in print segment. I have to write seconds instead of WPM. Now let's run and practice a bit. We got the sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. See, my time taken is 23.96 seconds and my typing speed is 22.54 word PM. That means our program is running well. And that's it. I hope this program is a great way to practice typing and track your speed. You can try different sentence each time to see if you are improving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.